Jessica. Here in lieu of a singer soapbox this evening, David and I decided to give you an updated studio tour to kind of see what's been going on in the studio. As of today, May 4th, the studio is reopened along with the rest of the state of Missouri. So we are back in the swing of things, I should say, back on schedule, looking for students to take lessons with us. And so if you felt uncomfortable about coming in, we wanted to just do a quick video and show you just some things we've been working on and things that maybe to help put your mind at ease and come back in, or just if you decide to come in, some reasons to come and see us. So first things first, we have spaced out all of our chairs, so we even measured with the tape measure to make sure that they were 6 feet apart all the way down the hall, all the way across our waiting area. So if you're feeling uncomfortable about spacing, we have plenty of it. There's really no reason to worry. We also have this wonderful addition from a friend of ours at church. His name is Mr. Ted Howell, and he painted these awesome paintings of these kids involved in music, and I thought it was just a great touch to our studio, and I just love him so dearly, and I'm so thankful for all the work that he put in those. And I told him it's like they've always just been, it's like they were meant to just be here in the first place. So I'm so thankful for that. So thank you, Mr. Ted. We really appreciate you. Also, we have our nice big space. You can see that we've got our trampoline and our teddy bear ready to go, just waiting for the day that we can start up little kid classes, our pre-K classes, and have our moms and little ones come in and have our group music classes. And I cannot wait for the day that we actually get to start that. I know that might be kind of a scary thing right now to think about with social distancing and things like that, but we're hoping to get that going really, really soon, and we're hoping to be able to do that with our kiddos as quick as possible, just because it's such a great thing. I know that a lot of people have been, doing online school with their kids right now. If you have kids that are school age, and it's been really tough trying to squeeze in maybe the music and art and PE aspects of it, but I can't stress enough how important those really are and how crucial it is for their development. So really, I hope you really consider looking into doing pre-K classes with us, because they're going to be a lot of fun. So, moving on, yesterday we came in and we disinfected and cleaned everything, wiped down every surface you can imagine. We're way more thorough probably than we had to be, but we did it just because we care about, our standards and things like that. So, we are in the process of setting up a drum and kind of percussion studio within our first practice room. So our fabulous instructor, Miss Michelle Hedges, she not only does piano, but she also does drums. So if you're interested in taking that, you can definitely come and sign up for lessons for that. She is available and ready and waiting for you to come and sign up. In our next practice room, we've moved the piano just to sort of maintain our social distance and try to make it easier. It's probably hard to tell on camera, but we've made it to where the student can stand 6 feet from the instructor and still take lessons. You might need to leave the door open, but at this point, that's okay. We can also use our big space that I was just in to do that as well, but sort of up to the teacher and student, what they want to do. In our last studio, this is where Mason, our guitar instructor, teaches. And he is looking for more students as well. For you can learn acoustic guitar, electric guitar, and all different kinds of styles, blues, rock and roll, jazz, whatever you want to learn, he's there for it. So we also have our other wonderful instructors, Mr. Bill Gerdell. He teaches our brass component, and he's amazing. He's got so much experience that it's crazy to think that he's willing to teach. With all the experience he has, he could probably do so many bigger and better things, but not that teaching isn't a bigger and better thing, but he's willing to come down and teach lessons at our studio, which I really appreciate. We also have Miss Maggie McCauley, and she is a wonderful woodwind instructor, and so if you need woodwind lessons, I know
especially with her and Bill, it's really tough to, if your kid didn't get to finish out their year in band, maybe you could, sign them up for lessons and they could, keep up with it over the summer and then hit the ground running when they go back to school in the fall. So, and like I said, Michelle, she teaches piano and she's fabulous at that too. So you should definitely inquire about lessons as soon as possible. I'm the voice instructor. David's also been helping out with that. And we are ready and here to take on more students if you need us and if you wanted to do something like that. So other than that, there's really not much else to report, but just that we are open today and we are still accepting students, and we would love it if you would come down or just inquire online at dynamicfineartsacademy.com, fill out a lesson request. We can get back to you as soon as possible. We have some extra time now that we're not in the classroom teaching full time. And we would just love to hear from anyone, wanting to take lessons. We'd be delighted to help you in any way that we can. So follow us on Twitter, follow us on Facebook, like and share this video. If you know somebody who really wants to take lessons, or if you're interested, let us know. We would be happy to assist you, like I said. Other than that, we hope you guys are having a great evening. You stay dry out there. It is raining pretty hard. So anyway, give us a call, send us a text, whatever it takes. We'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye.